Hi guys, this is Christine from getfitandpole and a warm welcome to our very first chair mobility video. Today it's all about the spine and we asked the GFP family, are you interested in chair mobility? And 100% of you guys said yes. So make sure you subscribe to our channel because there are more videos coming soon. All right. Our spine, obviously very important, and sometimes we are not doing, let's say, enough movement or the right movement to keep our spine healthy and flexible. So you can do this little sequence anytime you're obviously sitting on a chair. Of course, you can implement that in your warm-up, or what I love to do to have that as a cool down. We will start sitting on the chair, and the first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath. To just connect with your body, to be present in your body, to have ideally your mind not running all over the place. So let's do that together. You want to close your eyes for this. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Release all the air. Another one together. Deep breath in. And long breath out. All right. So, hands on your shoulders. And the first thing we are about to do is turn to the right. Your legs keep the same position and you make the turn from your spine. Look to the right. Your arms stay in the same position as well. And controlled movements. Let's say we do 10 of those. 9, 10. Now you want to extend your arms. Have them extended here. And from here you do just some tiny little dips and moving your right shoulder further in a circle, twisting your spine. Tiny little dips, controlled. Your legs still stay in the same position. We do 10 of those as well. 9, 10, and now stay here. Stay here, hold this position. Now we're about to take a deep breath in and exhaling. Hold on to the chair, hold on to the outer thigh, and twist a little more. That's the benefit of using a chair for this one. So you can actually twist a little bit more. Look to the back if possible. Turn your head as well. Hold it. Deep breath in and release. Look to the front. All right, other side, hands on your shoulders and turn to the left. Slow, controlled movements. Feet stay in place, legs stay in place. Yummy movements for your spine. 5, 6. Your left shoulder blade is leading. 9. And last one. Extend your arms. If you don't have the space to actually extend your arms, you can just leave them here. But everyone who can, extend your arms and tiny little dips. Turn a little bit further. Look to the back, as far to the back as possible. And 3, 2, 1. And hold it. Hold it here. Deep inhale. And on the exhale, grab your chair, grab the outer thigh and turn a little bit more. Your legs, knees, feet, everything stays in place. Your spine is twisting as much as possible. Breathe. Try to feel what's happening in your body Enjoy the stretch, enjoy the twist. Deep inhale and release. Awesome. All right, hands on the shoulder, and we are twisting to the side. Right side. Actually start with whatever side is best for you. You want to have the arms stay in place and the legs as well. Same procedure. 3 more. 2. 1. Now from here, extend your arms again, and with the left arm you kind of push a little bit further, kind of like diagonal to the sky, to the ceiling. And to move our spine, tiny little dips is one thing, but of course if you don't have the flexibility on the side body, it's tough. And it doesn't happen that often that we actually stretch if we are not training for this. Hold here, deep breath in. And now, if you want, you can hold on to the chair and go into a deeper stretch and bend of the spine. Deep breath in. And again, out. Bending a tiny little bit more. So depending on your chair, sometimes maybe you can hold onto your armrest or one of the legs, so that you need to figure out what works best for you. Deep breath in and release. Some little shoulder rolls. This feels almost like a workout, right? All right, hands on the shoulders. Same procedure, left side. Your gaze stays to the front. Smile if you want. 5, controlled movements. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Extend your arms again. And the upper arm, in this case the right arm, diagonal to the sky, to the ceiling, and little dips. With dips, I mean you're pulling from your shoulder, your arm into the sky. You can do as many, in fact, as you want for this one. Doing 10 or 12. Last one. And now, deep breath in. And when exhaling, grab onto the chair and try to bend a little bit deeper, to stretch the side a little bit more. Enjoy the stretch. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and release. Almost done. Now we can use the chair to bend backwards and forwards. So you don't want to sit too close to the back side of the chair, but a little bit further away. And put your hands again onto your shoulders and try to feel the back side of the chair, and then lean back from there slowly and controlled, and come back. Lean back and come back. If you're doing it the first time, maybe you want to hold on to the chair actually and feel out the movement. And come back. Again. And even if you start like sitting close to the seat portion and having the bend over here, that's fine as well. The more often you do it, it will be more comfortable. Last one. Stay here. Release your arms. That's actually a tough one to talk in. You want to use the weight of your arms to bend a little bit more, and your chest is going to the ceiling. Stay here. Deep inhale. And exhale, go a little bit deeper. You can hold on to the chair. Deep inhale. And release, come back. All right. Hands onto the shoulders. Now we are rolling forwards. So it's not so much here, like nose to toes, but like rolling your spine, and you want to sit again a little bit further away from the back side of the chair, that you actually have room to roll. Roll down, head to knees, make a beautiful double chin, and come up. Again, roll, forehead to the thighs, and roll up. Actually, your forehead is moving to your tummy. And again, curve as much as possible. Tuck your pelvis. You want to roll into a little bit ball. 3 more. Last one. Now deep inhale, exhale, release your arms, make them as heavy as possible, and little tiny dips. It's really a tiny motion. It's like you're already this little ball, and now you're becoming a little bit even more tiny. You squeeze to round your spine. Last 2. Deep inhale. And on the exhale, if it makes sense, if it's possible, grab the seat portion of your chair or the legs and pull yourself even more into the chair, making that beautiful curve in the spine. Deep inhale. And exhale, roll up. Some shoulder rolls. Some head rolls. And I hope you enjoyed this tiny little sequence. As I mentioned, do this at least once a day. You will realize your spine will feel so yummy afterwards, and like the flexibility will become better and better. Thank you so much for watching and doing this with me, and I see you very, very soon. Bye guys.